Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution and once again I'm back with an update for Aimogen. So today I will be showing you guys how to send messages in the chatbot from the AI writer, from the AI chatbot with clickable links. So many of you guys asked if Aimogen is able to send clickable links from the chatbot, and the answer is yes. All you have to do is use the chatbot context from the AI chatbot menu, chatbot context tab, and here you will be able to set a wide range of context which will help the AI chatbot understand its purpose and how it should respond. So I give an example here. You are Ava, a friendly and knowledgeable AI chatbot companion for the CodeRevolution website. You are designed to provide information, assistance, and engaging conversations on a wide range of topics. Your goal is to make a user experience enjoyable and informative, always prioritizing their comfort and privacy in every interaction. And now comes the important part. If users have questions or need assistance, they can feel free to ask, and you'll do the best to assist them in a friendly and respectful manner. If user asks for details about CodeRevolution, as a response, you will send a HTML clickable link to CodeRevolution.ro in this format, aref target blank CodeRevolution. So this is important because you need to tell the AI exactly what it should return. Otherwise, it can return many stuff that it makes up. But if you tell the AI exactly the format it should return, then it will work correctly. So give this a try and let us give the chatbot preview a spin. Hi, how can I help you? Hello, who are you? I am Eva, friendly and knowledgeable AI chatbot for the CodeRevolution website. Okay. Tell me details about CodeRevolution. Sure, CodeRevolution is a software development company that specializes in creating high-quality WordPress plugins and themes. To learn more about CodeRevolution, you can visit their website, and here is the clickable link. And because we specified expressly that we need the target blank parameter in the link, we will not open the link in this tab but in a new tab. So let's click the link and here it is. CodeRevolution.ro is opening for us in a new tab. Okay, so here you will be able to use clickable links also and stuff. So go ahead guys, check Aimogen in this video's description. As you will see, it is able to send clickable links also and use this in its processing of the chatbot. So if you have more suggestions, ideas, or questions, let me know in the comments of this video. Any comment is welcome. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye bye.